is cool. This is a good pot. Look, it's clear.
You can cook some good pasta in there.
Mm-hmm.
Hello everybody, I am back, Freedom Van or Alex. I'm back in my van. It was broken for a while, but I got her all fixed up. Now we're back on the road. So, a little bit of a hiccup in the van life, but it's alright. I saw some of you guys missed these vlogs, so I figured why not film one today. So we're back at the Sedona spot, and I gotta take advantage of this view because in a month here, I won't be seeing this view again for six months-ish. So it's actually a lot later in the day now. I haven't filmed for YouTube in a bit because I've been doing a lot of other filming. But let me show you guys something. So here's my rooftop tent, and I recently took my car into the dealership and they cracked it. So now we gotta figure something out. Alex might use this for the summer. We're trying to figure it out. I apologize guys for the lack of YouTube videos recently. It's due to the fact my van has simply just been broken, and I'm pretty much through all that now, and I'm super psyched to be back on the road. I should have got this on video, but I just converted my table from bench mode to bed mode, and I'm finally gonna get a good night's rest because my neck has been hurting from sleeping on the little bench. But
Well, that was awesome.
It's freaking awesome. I'm so hyped I did this. I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. It's not even funny, guys. Here's the vibes right now, though. We're just chilling. Guy just showed up to camp. Guy has not been in a video. I actually haven't seen Guy in some time, so let's go see what he has to say. He hasn't seen the swing. Guy, what do you think of the swing, bud? Here in a minute.
Come here. Looks like shit.
Oh,
so
bud.
Take a peek real fast. It does it swing like shit too.
Oh, it
It's
swings
gonna slap my
fire.
fat ass on it.
You like her? She swings, doesn't she?
Nice. You know what? I'll give you like a fucking 7 out of 10. But because of the view, I'll give you 10 out of 10.
Oh, bud. So apparently I've been using vegetable oil for my for my pasta. And yeah, so I've been using vegetable oil and not olive oil. So I might die. So I'm gonna make some pasta tonight. This is definitely the best kind of pasta, in case you're wondering. But I love these renovations I did to my van. I got my little blanket as a curtain here, my little swing. I got some fake leaves, and look at this guy.
A little tiny bit wider, but that's all. A tiny bit wider.
Yo, I got my food cooking. Alex making some content. The sun is officially set. I'm gonna enjoy my pasta and wait for Caden to show up. My pasta is done. Guy's trying to chop a tree down with a hatchet. Funny. It's like dinner and a show. Alright, it is bedtime. I'm gonna go to bed now. I love you. Good night. Look at this guy.
Really well with my content.
We're all waking up here.
Yeah, no, but that's something that would fit your content.
Yeah, I know.
The champagne shit.
Super nice morning. Alex thought his car got robbed last night.
Bro, there was some sussy baka shit going on last night. Nice.
It's been getting so hot out here in the desert. In the morning it's like 30 degrees, but by 10 it's like 70, so it's crazy. I'm gonna make pancakes for breakfast, I think. We don't really quite have a plan for today. Probably just gonna go jump in some cold water, get back to camp. Look at this guy. Wow. And yeah, basically that's really the plan. There's never really much of a plan. It's pretty spontaneous. But I slept amazing last night. I don't think I'll ever convert my bed back to a bench, ever. Oh my goodness. Alex is currently trying to learn stick.
Yeah, because it costs money to get like a new license plate. Dude, I want to get
a
funny one.
Hey, I did it. I got it out.
Big stick driver. Alright guys, so we just drove out to get some bread, and now we're at the creek. Gonna go try to catch some fish and do a catch and cook tonight. So yeah, that's the goal really. We're back at the cave to get to the creek. Let's check it out. Oh, it smells like someone's doing a barbecue in it. Made it to the river. And it's finally all getting green from spring. Winter is over, yo. The water looks beautiful. It looks like a little pool down here. I might actually hop in. Like, tell me that doesn't look perfect. So we all just showered off in the river. Alex took a shit and used the river as a bidet. We're done at the creek, y'all. Now we're gonna go to a different portion of the creek to try to catch some fish. And
The trout farm's like...
yeah. We didn't quite get lucky with any trout, so back to pasta for dinner. I might have to title this video Catch and Cook though, so I can draw you guys in.
Yeah,
I'd like a ride.
You're not fucking getting one, you fucking bitch.
Oh, yeah. We're out of here, y'all. Alright guys, we are back on the forest roads, headed back to camp. And I really gotta say, oh, this is about to be really nice. This is like perfect paved road.
Oh yeah, ready? Let's check.
Yeah, it's like,
oh yeah.
yeah. Yes, this is what we live for. Quite a view though. Boy, the outlaw trail. I'm in my swing, yo. We made it back to camp.
Have the wood go like off
further out.
like that.
Dude, I think you should do it this way. But no. What's up, it's the Freedom Band. We just finished up dinner. Watching the sunset. Oh, it's gonna be such a gorgeous night.
Let me do like a hey, it's the Freedom Band.
We just finished up dinner. And we're on the Freedom Van. We're on my van and we're watching the sunset. It's pretty mids, but it's alright. This spot used to be super secluded, and now there are people in every single site. Nah, but real shit. Pink Jeep wants to shut this place down.
We should hit up Pink Jeep and ask for sponsorship.
Pink Jeep wants to shut this place down because they want it all to themselves. But this is the best place to experience Sedona in its fullest extents, like camping and stuff. So, I say fuck that. So, last night I had pasta for dinner. Tonight I'm having pasta for dinner. Look at him having his moment on his car. I finished all my pasta. Alex's pasta. I could have made 13 pastas in the time he finished his. Is it good? Was yours good, bud?
I'd say it was probably delightfly
bussing,
if you would say. Bussing?
It is officially nighttime here, and we are going to have we're gonna watch a movie in the roof nest. It's gonna be fun. Alex is doing his dishes, and I'm just trying to interfere as best as I can. Good morning, everyone. I just woke up. Just made some apple cider. The water just finished boiling. Slept amazing last night. The temperature is finally warming up at night to where it's like 50 degrees at the very lowest. And so I don't even have to turn my heater on at night anymore. Just in the morning when I'm chilling out. I'm about to watch BoJack Horseman. If you watch that show, I love you. Alex makes fun of me all the time for watching it, but I think it's actually a really good show, so whatever. It's kind of weird because I'm editing this vlog that you're seeing right now as you're seeing it, but this is really what a lot of my time consists of, editing and doing stuff like this for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show a little portion of that part of this life. For breakfast, I'm cooking some blueberry pancakes, and I'm like you guys know the muffin man. I'm like the pancake man, so they're gonna be so good, and I'm really tired and excited at the same time. We are packing up to head out, and we're gonna go do this trail, and I need some fruit in me so badly. Let's see, ready? I'm gonna Hey, she's on. She's running good. We are headed out, and I got the caravan behind me. We got Kaden and Alex. We are making our way down this road at about 4 miles an hour, and I believe we'll get there in due time. Alex was just pissing like 1 foot off the trail. Oh, here we go again. Bud, please. Oh, that's just bad. So we decided to turn back and drive up closer to Flagstaff to get to a creek to jump in, because it's hot as day out here. You guys don't really quite need to see the soak, so I'm gonna end the video off here. If you're seeing this right now, I love you. Look at that rock up there. Till later, I'll catch you. Good night, love you.